Hi. Were you going to say hello?
Hello.
Hello.
So, I don't know what the date is.
It's the 7th of
It is
April.
the week after Easter, and
It's a Saturday.
yeah, as usual, the weekend, and we're getting on with the van some more.
Sam's vlogging!
Yeah. So, all of our solar panel stuff arrived, and I attached the solar panel to the roof with these little aluminium brackets and lots of Sikaflex to stop it all leaking. And look, got the battery test wired up with the controller, and we can see that we're getting 3 amps from the solar panels, which is like 60 watts, which is pretty good, and I can turn the light on as a test. So solar is working.
What's it like up there?
Sunny, it's hot actually.
Oh, that's cool, dude. You're being vlogged. Damn, that's a nice. That's such a nice sunset.
The suspension works.
Mate, oh my god. Hey! Oh my god, she's a circus cat. God. Oh.
Right, come on.
Bye.
Hello. What?
Well, it's a different day now and I didn't get to film much yesterday because my phone died. But do you want to explain what you're doing?
We are working on the folding bed contraption.
Oh, well done.
We went and bought some hinges, and this is one of the pieces of the folding bed. These are going to go on there, well, like that.
Wait.
Ta-da, and then they will hinge.
27.5.
That might hold. We'll just all hold that.
Okay.
Okay, cool. Oh, that was not well. Don't. Well. Pardon?
And welcome back to this vlog. I haven't spoken in a while. Well, I've just ran 10 miles because the London Marathon is in 2 weeks today, so that's real, and it was like the best run I've done so far since coming back from being ill and stuff, so I'm really happy about that. yeah, I'm just really tired now, so I'm lying down where the bed will go. Mate, do you want to say what's happened whilst I've not been here?
Cut the roof and cut holes to put the lights in.
I'm vlogging. Hi.
Hi. Should we go for that? Yeah.
Cool.
I don't think that's too bad.
Show your professional screw.
See? Nice and flush.
Wait, let me no. Wow. Oh my god, again? Seriously?
What?
Jesus Christ, this keeps happening. Ah! Oh my god, you almost kicked me. The quality of this is not very good because it is not very light right now.
It will be soon.
It will be soon.
So I'm wiring up the ceiling lights.
Woo! Let there be light!
And the ceiling's in. It's mounted and attached.
Oh, I'm not sure if I filmed that properly before, but it's properly in.
Yeah.
Or at least that bit of it. Oh, should I talk about the passport process? I can't even travel in the van abroad yet. I haven't even got a passport. My passport went out of date last year and just haven't had the time and stuff to get it redone. So we've finally just done that today, which is a bit of a process, but it's fine. It's all done and been sent off, so hopefully I'll be able to leave the country in this van. Fingers crossed. Let there be light. Na 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 na.
I swear they both worked.
They did.
Moment of truth.
Yay! We've got light in the van. Looks great.
It's not too glary. Sure.
No, they're nice.
It's pretty even light.
Hi, it's now Sunday the 8th of April. It's the evening and that's the work done for this weekend on the van.
We have done some more paneling inside and done the ceiling and fitted the lights, and I've done the solar panel last week and got the charge controller sorted, so all of the lights you can see behind us, that's all solar energy, so that's all pretty cool.
Thank you, sun. So that's a wrap on this vlog. See you next time.
Goodbye.
Bye.